The reason these were constructed was for when our network has been severely damaged due to a natural disaster, bushfire. And the pretty simple way of saying it is if the network isn't going to be up within a few hours or within 24 hours, and it could be weeks before we could rebuild the network to the site, then these units will then go in and they will be installed at the telecommunication sites. And as we all know, like during times of those disasters, communications is key. Central Energy has purchased 6 of these trailers in conjunction with the federal government under the Telecommunications Disaster Relief Initiative Fund. But the target of the grant was to be able to run radio telecommunication sites. So this will keep our radio network up and functioning. There is also New South Wales Police, State Emergency Service, New South Wales Rural Fire Brigade, local councils, and in some cases there's also New South Wales Fire as well. The challenge we were trying to solve was having something that is transportable, something that we can use to access difficult to access places, as in steep, rocky terrain, and also to be able to provide us with an energy source that isn't solely reliant on a generator. And look, it's been a great project. It's been a very interesting project to work on, and you know, I've been looking forward to getting these finally rolled out.